Hey guys, what's up with you all? Hope you guys are doing fine. Hope you're good. Guys, in today's video, we are going to be talking about something that is very, very important. Like something that gives me headache. Like I suffered. I suffered to get this particular information because I'm that kind of person that I snap, I take a lot of videos, my business, my personal life, my content, that I keep that okay, maybe one or two times I might just go and get them. At the end of the day, especially those people using iPhone, oh mama mia, people using iPhone, you guys, now they try. Like myself, I've always used iPhone. Like for the 3 years I came over to this country, I've always used iPhone. Okay, because of the image, nothing else is useless to me apart from the fact that I take pictures, images with it. Like iPhone just dey useless because me no understand why I will have to pay money to now update. Not that now the funny part is that the money you're going to be paying for space with iPhone is not the it's not like is for example, for instance, they say you to pay 50 euro. It's not as if that 50 euro is going to last you forever as long as you're still using that iPhone. No, it's going to last you for just 1 month. It means that every month you have to renew with that same 50 euro. So it's like a subscription for every month. Do you understand? So, if, for example, if I'm paying maybe 5 euro for 1 gig, 2 gig, per example, okay, like 1 gig, 2 gig for 5 euro, it means that for me to retain that same gig I bought for this month for that 5 euro, I have to pay another 5 euro for next month to retain it, and it doesn't make sense, right? Okay, now this is very good for those people that take images or make content and you want to save it. Maybe probably tomorrow you want to open another channel. You need something to start up that channel, more content. You don't go and struggle in making content. You bring out your old content first of all to boost the channel before you make new content. Do you understand? Okay, so I've gone all the way to bring you good news. This my channel is good news. Period. Okay, so today I'm going to be showing you something very important. Hold on. Okay, now this can actually be used even for Android users, okay, not just for iPhone users. So they have that of Android. Now this is the product, guys. I'm not here to advertise anything. No, go get your just browse via Amazon, via AliExpress, via whatever Temu. I don't know. Okay, I'm not here to advertise anybody's products. But if you want to get buy, if you need this particular one, I could leave you a link. That's if you ask in the comment section. Okay. I think the name is what's the name again? Well, overhead is not written, but it's VAC kit written on the product here. And this is a pen drive. Very important. A pen drive for your iPhone, a pen drive for your Android. Now I bought it like this. Okay, just for iPhone. And then over here I have the one I can plug into my laptop to take the information out. Okay. Good news is that even after you have stored everything here, it is possible to now put it in another iPhone or in another iPhone because it has iPhone port. Okay, to put in another iPhone, all your images will still be there. Even if it is your own, you might decide to wipe every images on your phone to start afresh with your phone. But whereas you have put all your information here, it means that even if you want to get those information back, it is just to plug it back into your phone and get whatever images you want to get, and boom, that's it. If you want to put this via your laptop over here, another good news, if you're a content creator and you don't have pen drive, you're playing, you're sleeping. Don't delete your photos again. Oh, don't delete videos again. Oh, now if you want to use for Android, instead of you buying two of this because it might be expensive, because I bought this for 31 euro. Now instead of you to buy two of this is about 256 gig. So you see, it's expensive. If you want to buy that of 500 and something gig, terabyte is there. So whatever that suits your need. Okay, now this is I think what they call this is I get that for head though, I don't forget. Lightning, no? Yeah, lightning. Now this has a port for type C. Okay, you see how it's small. It has type C, just the type C port. Now what you're going to do here, over here we have the USB port. What you're going to do here is to connect this USB that was said was meant for maybe your PC to take these informations out. You can connect it directly to this one over here. I'm trying to do that. Don't fall, please. I'm sorry. My mic. What am I doing? Guys, sorry, it's giving me hard time. So you're going to connect it this way. You see, now you have uh both ports. You have that of the iPhone, you have that of the Android. Okay, you just plug in. Another information that you need to know is that any pen drive you buy, Every of them has their own way they work. They have their own pattern. Okay. Some doesn't use app. Some uses app. Like this one uses an app. So when you plug it in, it has an app. I'm going to show you with exactly how it's going to come out. Okay, with my phone. But first of all, I'm trying to make a video to explain because you'll not be seeing my face when I'm doing that other one. Okay, I'm going to end the video with how to do it with your phone. Okay, but for now, just know that you can actually get it to work two ways for you, for your Android and for your iPhone, without getting two of this one. Don't get two of it. Oh. If you get one like this, just get this small lightning. Is I think it's called light. I'm very sure. If I'm not, please correct me because me, I'm not sure. Okay, just to connect it with another port, depend on whatever you're using on your other phone. You can be working with two phones. So you collect information from here, collect from here. You can choose to delete them, no problem, because you have all your information. That's the most important thing, right? Okay. So guys, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to use my phone because I'm using just one phone here. Okay, I'm going to use this phone to show you how you're going to go about it. Remember, like I said, every of this particular, what's it called again? You guys don't know what I'm thinking. So every of this particular pen drive, they have their own type of they have their own way of functioning. Okay, so but this one uses an app. Why some, like I said, does not use an app. So okay, so let's go inside and let me show you how it's done. No delete image again, no. No delete photo again, no. I don't want hear am. I don't want if I hear am, go buy this one. See you in my next video. But stay tuned, oh, I'm showing you how to do it. Okay, ciao. Okay, guys, so the app this pen drive came with is the one called I Extend. When you look at the last row of my apps, okay, the last row, second to the camera recording app, there's like an app called I Extend. You're going to click on that I Extend. Now, if you insert the drive immediately on your phone, the app pops up for you to install. That's if you don't have it already, because I know most of us are here because we want to get it. So when you get it, if you're getting this exact one, the app will pop up for you to download it. Then you go ahead and download it. Okay. So you are going to click on allow. You want to allow it to do whatever it wants to do. Okay. So we'll get to this the interface of this app. Okay. The app that comes with the iDrive, the pen drive. Sorry. So I'm going to click on photo. We have internal storage. We have contact. We have external storage. But I'll be clicking on photo. Then I want to import my photo inside my pen drive. Okay. So to save space. Okay. You're going to click on whatever photo. You click on edit first so that you can click on multiple photos or videos. Okay, you must click on edit and then you pick whatever you want to pick, be it 10, 20, whatever you want to export. Take it off from your phone. Okay, when you're done selecting, you're not going to click on done. Remember that before you can be able to select multiple, you have to click on edit first, select multiple as you want to. Okay, and then now I was trying to export a certain photo, but I realized that I had I think a new hair I did that I actually want to export first so that I save it into. I'm going to show you later. Let me not just go further. Let me just keep explaining. So this is the hair. So I went on and save as many as I can, multiple of them, and then I'm going to click on done. Okay, that okay. I'm good to go. Okay, so you're going to click on done after you're done selecting them, and then yeah, we have internal storage, we have external storage. The internal storage, we're not going to click on that. We're going to click on external storage. When you click on external storage, we are going to see so many collections that they already have generated as at the time they sold that pen drive to you. But I generated my bundles and that of virgin hair collection that you're seeing in there. So these are just like you're creating collections for whatever you want to save. Okay, I already saved my bundles as my bundles. I already saved virgin hairs as my virgin hairs collection. So I know what I'm doing in case I want to take out photos or videos from this pen drive. Okay, so you're going to go ahead and create. If you don't have, create a new folder. Yeah, just like a folder, create a new folder. And this time I'm going to be creating a new folder. I'm going to name it pz cut because of the video I want to export. They're all pz cut hairs. Okay, so I'm going to click a new folder and I'm going to call it pz cut. So do it whatever you want, whatever you want to name. It should be it should be whatever you want. It shouldn't be mine. Okay, so I'm going to name it pz cut and I'm going to click on OK. And you can see that the pz cut folder or collection is right there. Okay, now I just need to now do copy to here. Okay, copy to the pz cut. Click on the pz cut, the one you just generated, and click copy to here. Finish. Okay, it will copy everything. Immediately you click on copy to here, it copies everything into that particular folder. Okay, it's going to copy it. Now you can go ahead and do as many as you want, as many folders, create many folders. It could be for your content, it could be folders for whatever, it could be called folders for your business photos. Just do you. Okay, and you can actually export these particular videos and pictures again, add from your pen drive to wherever you want to direct it to. You can do the same thing just I'm doing. I'm waiting for you to copy everything. He's done, and you're going to click on done. When you're done, just click on done, and go back, go out from here to the app if you want to do other photos or other videos. Okay, now for you to now export it from this particular app to whatever you're going to do it this way. You're going to click on whatever folder that you want to use to export whatever. Click on the folder you want to work on. Okay, and then when you see whatever image you're looking for out of that folder you clicked on, you're going to now export that photo or that video to maybe your gallery, and then from your gallery you can now post. So I'm going to click on whatever one I want to export now. Okay, so I went ahead to export this particular photo because I needed it. You're going to click on the share icon at the right top. You see the share icon, click on that share icon. Okay, so for you to export it, I'll go again. Click on the image, click on the share icon, click on save. I'm using an iPhone, that's why you're seeing the interface like this. So click on the share icon, click on save. So it can be different depending on the app and depending on what phone you're using. Please, like I said at the beginning, some app warrant you to download this app. Some app doesn't even come with some pen drive does not come with an app, why some does. Okay, that's what I mean. All right, if you enjoyed this video, please leave me a like, comment if there's anything you want me to do for you. Okay, and please do not forget to subscribe. I have series I want to come up with. Yeah, and it's going to be something you're going to like. So please subscribe and turn the notification bell on. Let us do something together. Thank you for watching. Thank you for staying up to this time. I love you guys all. See you in my next video. Bye.